For Lent 2021, we bishops of Malta and Gozo have decided to share with our people a few reflections inspired by the encyclical of Pope Francis, Fratelli Tutti. The Pope teaches that we need to take care of each other as brothers and sisters because we have the same Father, our Father in heaven. That is what Jesus teaches us in his own prayer, teaching us to say, Our Father, who art in heaven. But brotherhood comes because we commit ourselves to it. It's not something that we share instinctively. In fact, we need to overcome the virus of individualism, which makes us turn on ourselves and open each other for the richness that comes from other people. We also talk about dialogue. Dialogue is a meeting of minds and of hearts. It does presuppose that we come from different points and spaces in life, and the Pope teaches that it's better to bring down walls and borders that divide us and turn all this rubble into bridges that unite us. We bishops also talk about care for the vulnerable. I think that is the litmus test of a caring society that is based on true solidarity. Reconciliation is based also on the respect of truth and justice. It's not about suppressing our hurts and the wounds that we share, but about confronting them in truth and also breaking the chains of vindictiveness and anger. Towards the end of our message to our people, we quote what the Pope teaches about Saint Joseph and his fatherhood. And we pray that through the intercession of Saint Joseph, we learn to create a caring society based on solidarity. We heartfully extend to you our pastoral blessing.